Well, good day everyone. Brodie and myself have come down here on a really overcast, wet day. We're down at Cobbler Creek and we're right down in the bottom of the spillway. This is where all the water is. Obviously from the creek, from Cobbler Creek itself. Goes all the way back up around there. G'day Brodie. And that there is up there. That's all the build up of the spillway. Doesn't look very tall from here, but let me tell you, coming down there was a lot of fun. And that just over here is where the water's running down into the creek under control, obviously. All right, what we might do is we'll just pan around here a bit, give you a bit of an idea of what it's like. And we've got to walk all the way up there. All the way up. And there we are. All right, stay tuned and we'll give you a little bit more. Okay, we'll keep walking around. Now we'll go and have a look at that adit. Yeah, just up the road here. Brodie saw a bit of an adit or a cave dug into the side of the wall. Oh, into the cliff face. We'll just go for a little bit of a walk up here. Just have a look. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's go up this track. Right, off you go, mate. You go lead us over. Wow. Yeah, it's not really a cave, is it? What'd you find? Oh yeah, I'd say that's where they've been digging out the weeds there, Brodie. Well, it could be. Although if they were digging out the weeds, they would have filled the hole back up. Yeah, someone's been turning rocks over. Look, see this rock here? Yeah. They've just turned it over. Yeah, shouldn't be doing that. Probably looking for lizards or something. Yeah. Could have been those boys we saw earlier on. Now here we are, look at this. Yeah, that looks like an olive to me. Yeah. Oh well, we might go down and have a look. Oh, well, Brodie's just giving us a commentary on his butter menthol lollies that he's eating. Yeah, it's not a cave really, is it, Brodie? Nope. Let's go up and have a look though. And just have a look at the structure. Wow. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that big spider there. Hopefully I can zoom in on that. Can we get in on him? Where is he? Right there. Ah, there he is. And look at that up there. Look at the nests. Wow. They're just amazing. Wow. Some mighty big spiders.
There's some muddling holes or whatever it's called.
Where's that? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, they look like wasps' nests there. Yeah, they are, look.
Yeah, like I saw in the first video. In the tunnels.
In the tunnels, yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of wasp nests around here, isn't there? There's another big one there. More wasp nests. Is there really around here? Wow, check out the size of that ant up there. Where is he? There he is. He's pretty big. He's probably trying to get into those wasp nests. Wow. This is quite a place, isn't it? There's so much to explore down here in Cobbler Creek.
Look, I just found a tennis ball.
There we go. Brodie's just found a tennis ball. All right then, we'll just keep looking around. If we find anything interesting, we'll let you know. All right, stay tuned.